So what we've got today is the Dorema Safe lock system. Now a safe lock system for caravan awnings, poled awnings, they come in a box of 2. If you've got the air awning, they come in a box of 3. Same principle for both. So let's open this one up and have a look. So we've got a set of instructions, 2 springs, 2 straps, 2 long pegs. So let's get the strap out. Really easy to fit the straps. They just clip in place. Once they're in, you know it's secure. And that's the same for your pole awnings or your air awnings. Nice thick webbing. Nice metal buckle on the bottom. Some people will just go straight down to the floor with this. What Dorema recommend is attaching it to these nice long pegs. Perfect for if you're on soil, grass, or whether you're on hard standing flooring. Now what Dorema also recommend is you use your spring. Now the spring just clips on to both parts just to give it a little bit of flexibility if needed, so it's not putting your awning under too much strain. Now we're on decking today here, so what we're going to do is we're going to fasten this straight down to the floor. So once your spring's in there, just fasten that in. Straight onto the strap at the bottom. Pull it tight. Readjust. And if need be, just pull it a little bit tighter again. That's how easy it is to fit the Dorema storm straps. Don't forget, if you like our videos of awnings and accessories, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.